Alright guys, there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and add my yam. Welcome back to today's video guys, and welcome back to the Greens Family Lifestyle TV. And in today's video guys, we have an epic one. We have the soy sauce soaked fried chicken, which is going to be stewed in the oven, and it's going to be served with green banana and dumpling and yam. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, as you see, I have 2.5 pounds of chicken, which is quarter leg. I have them cut up and clean. So now I have my large bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and add my soy sauce. I'm using like 1/4 cup soy sauce guys. Alright guys, now I'm gonna add my Worcester sauce. I'm doing 3 tablespoons of the Worcester sauce. Then guys, I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. I'm gonna add some onion powder. And for the turmeric guys, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. And here I'm gonna go with my garlic powder guys. I'm gonna have it all whisking guys, just to get it evenly distributed. So that's good. Now I'm gonna add my chicken. And I'm adding them guys so they get proper soak. As you can see guys, I'm placing the legs at the bottom. Alright guys. I'm getting in my salt now guys. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon salt. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and have it all mixed in. Okay, you still want to have that sauce all over it guys. So that's how you want it guys. Then you go ahead and have it covered. Alright guys, so you cover and you let it marinate for 1 hour. I'm gonna go ahead and have all my natural season cut up guys. Just slicing them as usual guys. As you know, we have one other secret ingredients in this one guys. Okay, now I'm dicing my scallions. Alright, here I go. I have my red pepper guys. I'm just making slices as I told you guys. You could cut them more unique. Alright guys, here goes my yellow pepper. And guys, this is my ginger. I'm doing very thin slices, and then I'm gonna mince. You just go along the way. Okay, you still want to have that flavor from the ginger, because remember we using the soy sauce. That's it guys, because remember this is ginger. If you use too much, it can be hot, and you don't want it to get too hot. I recommend 1 teaspoon. And now I'm going to my garlics. And I ain't gonna cut those little pieces guys. Yeah, might as well, right? And guys, I want to tell you, this soy sauce menu ingredients is a very lovely ingredients. I want you guys to get a hold of the soy sauce. So stay tuned guys. I'm julienning the carrot. So that's how I normally do it guys. I'm gonna just cut it in the middle. Alright Alright guys, here I go. I have my natural season all cut up. So stay tuned while I go ahead and have the oil heated so I could have my marinated chicken started frying. Alright guys, here I'm adding my oil. I'm doing half cup of oil because I'm not fully frying them guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, that's the soaked chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them in the pot. Alright guys, I'm gonna just get a sample of the ginger and a few cloves of the garlic. That was minced. So guys, I'm not gonna let it all fry right through. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my chicken for frying. Alright guys, so we're gonna let that sit and let it fry through. As you can see, with the liquid on the chicken, it did not affect the oil. Follow these steps and you will never go wrong guys, so stay tuned. Checking in on the progress of the chicken guys, and guys, one pro tip: with the soy sauce, with the chicken being soaked in the soy sauce, it's easier to glaze or pan-seared and their color change very rapidly. So guys, I'm gonna show you the progress as we move on with the soy sauce. Have to be careful. Let's check the progress of the chicken. As I told you guys, it browned really fast once you had the soy sauce. You see that oil. You see, they already glazed. So that's the color you want to get them guys. Because remember, they're gonna go in the oven. Just like that. I'm gonna have these chicken removed guys, and that's how you want to have them for now, because you're gonna put it in the oven. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have these chicken being removed. And I'm placing them in a foil pan. See guys? I'm on the last piece. Alright guys, now for my season. That's the remainder from my soaked chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of my chicken seasoning. And the same 1 tablespoon, I'm gonna add a splash of black pepper. Now I add my marinara sauce guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 1/4 cup. And then you want to get your whisk guys, and then you want to whisk it in. And always keep the remainder from the soaked chicken guys, because that's an important part right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my sauce on the fire, which I did go ahead and have the chicken broth placed in the fire on the frying pan. Alright guys, I did go ahead and had my chicken broth from the leftover from the fried chicken. I add my chicken broth and a teaspoon of sugar, brown sugar. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my mixture with the marinara that I just completed. I'm gonna add it to my mix and have it slow cook. This is the stage I go ahead and have my fire all turned down for the simmering of the gravy. And then you use your whisk and whisk it. Alright guys, I'm gonna cover for 2 minutes. So catch you when I'm about to add the cornstarch guys. Alright, I'm checking in on the gravy guys. Been 2 minutes now. So now I'm gonna add my cornstarch slowly. And then you whisk as you add guys. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna add the last portion. And then I'm just whisking it, guys, because you know you want to get those lumps dissolved. As you can see, the texture is coming together, guys. Right, guys, I'm adding half teaspoon of salt just for taste, and you still want to whisk. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my natural seasoning, guys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add my natural seasoning that I already washed. I have the ginger, the garlic, and the thyme. So you just want to leave that for the next 2 minutes, guys. So I'm gonna cover it now for the next 2 minutes. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, there goes my pan-seared chicken, which I'm gonna add the gravy right now and get it in the oven. And there goes my gravy. I'm gonna pour it slowly, guys, because you still want to have an even distribution of the seasoning. Alright, guys, stay tuned while I have it covered and placed in the oven. Yes, guys, I did go ahead and have some dumpling made from the flour, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it in the pot. So stay tuned. I'm adding salt, guys. That's my dumplings guy. And guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And watch the video to the end, guys. Gonna be one nice dinner, guys. I think this is my first time ever gonna try this soy sauce chicken, guys, where I have it brown and I have it in the oven. Guys, if you have any special way you guys make your brown stew, you can leave it in the comments, guys. And for season measurement, you could check the description. I'll leave a link in the description where you guys can get the menu. So I'm gonna add some yams, guys, so stay tuned. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add my yam. This one was already cut, guys. It just stick together. So stay tuned, guys, while we get this meal prepared. Alright, guys, there you have it. That's the finished product of the stew chicken. And you know that's a soy sauce fried baked stew chicken. So stay tuned, guys, while I have it plated. Alright, guys, I did go ahead and have plated some dumplings and yam. As you see in the video, I did go ahead and make it. So I'm gonna go ahead and have the brown stew chicken plated also. As you can see, guys, that's another one, guys. Alright, guys, I'm adding the gravy right now. So that's the plate right there, guys. As you can see, the finished product of the soy sauce fried baked stew chicken. Alright, guys, there we go. I'm gonna do a taste test with the chicken, guys. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, and guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and do press that notification bell so each time I do a video you guys get the update. So I'm gonna take a piece of yam because you know that's my favorite part, guys. I'm gonna dig in. As you can see, guys, the chicken is properly soaked. I need a little bit of gravy, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the yam. I wish you guys were here also, guys. Mmm. You taste that ginger, guys? Mmm. The gravy is so nice. Alright, guys. I'm going to enjoy my meal. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you next time. Peace out.
In the night where thoughts collide, I feel your presence.